Today we're looking at a Tranquility 19P, a 2023. This is made by Thor. This is a Class B motorhome. Just an awesome look overall on the exterior. Just looks aggressive. You're seeing a lot more and more of these Class Bs get very popular. It's going to sit on your Mercedes chassis. You've got the Thor awning, rear ladder. You know, you've got just an awesome area here. It's a very compact unit coming in at 19 foot. As you come up in, it just looks, you know, you've got your refrigerator. From your refrigerator here, then you've got your microwave up above, your driver and passenger seats up front here, dual cup holders. You've got awesome carpet that can be taken in and out. It's not like a carpet, it's like a canvas material, large. Here's your wet bath, so you can do your, not only you've got your toilet here, but also you've got your shower as well. Just really, it flips down, gives you a sink there. Sink spools over. So you're just really utilizing your space in this bathroom without having to stop and use the rest area and everything else. And in the back, you've got places to sit, your flip down bed, and you've got a ton of cargo storage up top above us as well. As you can see, there's just fold up. So you got a ton of storage and a very compact Class B motorhome here. Just you got a roll down screen back here for when you open up your back doors, your windows, then also again your seating, and then also your bed area. You'll have a little table that'll go down here and connect into on the floor there. You've got storage down below there as well. More counter space for your sink. So you've not only got a sink in your bathroom, but also in your kitchen.